So how much does it cost to get a new garage door?
One like this, or are you looking for something?
Like
no, I mean
this?
like that guy's got a glass door.
No, I wouldn't want glass.
Okay, I'm trying out my new GoPro. Anyway, I'm going out. A lady needs some rubber on the bottom of her door. She said the rats from the lagoon are eating through it. So I'm gonna go out there and check out what kind she needs. Tell her the price. Probably gonna be about $700. Change out the bottom retainer, you know, the rubber that goes along the bottom. Anyway, I'll get back at you when I get there. Talk at you. Joey, how do you turn off the camera? It just keeps blinking, and then on the back it says cancel recording.
The button where the lens is.
Oh, hi.
How's it going?
Good, how's it going?
Very grateful that you could come today.
Here's
You
the calm
remember
dog.
Ferdinand?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ferdinand the bull. He's just so loved, everyone, because people don't expect it.
Yeah.
Should I open this, right?
Yeah, you can open it. Sounds good.
Yeah. So
this
this
is
is
the
what
rubber?
Yeah. This just because rats are getting in. Oh yeah. Let me check the rat trap.
So did you want to? You said you wanted a bigger one or the same?
No,
one
bigger. The
Yeah,
biggest
could it-
possible, to be honest. The rats are coming in through here. So someone installed this yesterday, just until the rubber comes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm gonna cut a piece off because I can't see behind there. Normally they're hanging down, and well, actually I might be able to get it here. Let me grab a piece off of there. Most of them are really like a T channel. This goes into that little groove there. So I think yours is round though. Yeah, I'm gonna have to order this one because it's a T channel. Mm-hmm. It slides in. That's how yours looks. Mm-hmm. This is your rubber I cut off.
Okay.
So there's one, they loop and they go on one on each channel and they go down. Never even seen them that small actually. They're usually like a bulb. Mm-hmm. But I'm glad I did that. I was thinking, I have a Wayne Dalton door. With the rubber, I guess I never changed one on a Wayne Dalton. I hope you don't have to change that panel. I mean, they got everything. Huh. All right, well, I'll just have to show them.
Is it possible?
Well, I have this kind here. This is what 99% of the ones have. And then they have that bulb one. But you have a different one. You have this little tiny bulb, which I haven't seen. That little track compared to this. This is where it slides in. Look how little yours is. Like that one right there. So this is real narrow to go in, and then most of them are bigger, and they slide down the end of the. It's like a
Is it 'cause
channel.
it's an old garage door?
Well, just the type of garage door. So every manufacturer is different, but most of them try to accommodate, you know, what everyone else did. Like these have different hinges. They're kind of built in. They usually look like a gate hinge on all the other garage doors. Mm-hmm. So they try to do it themselves. So you have to buy everything from them. They actually try to even change their springs before. There's big things up there. Mm-hmm. They try to use this thing called the Torque Master, where the spring is inside of this thing, but it didn't take off. Nobody bought it. So they try to, you know, corner the market, so you have to come to them.
Oh wow. Man.
But what people do when they have a broken spring in the Torque Masters, they convert it to the torsion spring.
So how much does it cost to get a new garage door?
One like this, or are you looking for something?
Like
no, I mean
this?
like that guy's got a glass door.
No, I wouldn't want glass.
The door looks crooked.
Like that much glass.
Okay. Yeah.
Or whatever that is.
Yeah. Do you want any design on it? Like
No.
most people get a design.
It's plain and simple.
All
How
of
much
them
would
do
that
it.
cost?
Farther down, see there's two more. They all got the
I mean, it
design.
looks like we all kind of have the same one though, right?
No, they're all different. But
How much would a simple, reliable garage door cost? 'Cause
well, this is not a simple door. It's actually a good door.
this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a polyurethane injected door, and it's got these struts on every panel.
I don't need to change it then, you're saying. This is a good one?
Yeah, I wouldn't change it. But what they might do is the way they put this in, if you look over here on the end, how tight everything is, got everything tied together, you might have to order that section.
Is that something I order through you?
Yeah, I'll
good,
call
good.
them and I say, can I get
Good,
the rubber
good.
by
It's
itself?
Awesome.
And they'll say, you got to order it with the section. So I'm going to measure it just in case they say that. And then I'll show them this. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course. www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. I've been doing it over 40 years. I was trained by the right guys. We used to do jobs all over San Francisco on hills that are off 10 inches from one side to the other on a 8-foot wide door. We did everything on garage doors. So learn the right way, take the course, you do it at your own pace, and you get a lifetime access to it. Most people take 2 to 3 weeks to complete. Some people do it quicker and some people do it longer. The guy right now, he's the record. He's like 2 years, he still hasn't passed. Nice guy, talks to us a lot, and I'm sure we'll be talking to you guys too.